Do you want to know the truth? Of course you do. Listen, there's a lot of negative news in the media about the housing market crashing, and forecasts saying it's looking like what happened back in 2008. Hi, I'm Leerae Foster with Homes by Leerae, and I'm seeing homes with crazy amount of equity, and many people are accessing this equity to update their homes and pay for college for their kids. I saw another news report titled "Consumer Debt Hits $4 Trillion." It doesn't show us how much debt each family has in comparison to how much money they're making. Yes, $4 trillion is an all-time high, but how much debt a typical family has is only 4.2% of their income, which is a 40-year low. It's lower today than it was since 1980. So if you look at the overall picture, we're in the best position we've been in over 40 years when we compare disposable household income and debt. So we are all hearing about this housing crash, and what it's actually looking like is a very positive market. I've seen record appreciation in Central Oregon, and we will probably still see prices increase again this year. But experts are predicting this growth will be at a lower rate. Still an increase, but not like the last few years. According to the Home Price Expectation Survey, which is made up of over 100 economists, real estate investors, and financial advisors, they are all showing a slower increase in appreciation, like what we've seen in the past. Here's another indicator that we are not going to see a market crash. This graph shows that the number of loans in forbearance is at the lowest level since the pandemic started. So if you're waiting to buy or sell this year, you may miss out on the low interest rates and this year's home appreciation. If you have questions about what's happening in our local real estate market, then reach out to me. I'm here to help. My name is Leerae Foster, and I'm with Homes by Leerae.